Are you ready for an amazing glutes and hamstring and cellulite Pilates inspired sliding disc, gliding disc, however you want to call them, or you can use just two cloths for like window cleaning, are perfect to slide your way into amazing toned sculpted legs and glutes. Let's go. You can do the warm-up for the full body or legs if you want on your own. I already did mine. Or you can go straight with me into the workout. I'm gonna use the first set, the cloth, so you can see both options. So we're gonna start with the right leg on the cloth, and we're gonna pretend that we're cleaning the floor. 1, 2, really squeezing the glute. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do this 15 times. 9, 10, 11, 12. I feel the burn already. 13, 14, last one, 15, and we're gonna superset for the same side. 15, backwards. Let's go, strong abs. 1, 2, can even use the wall if you want for support. 3, 4, 5, feel the burn. 6, 7, front leg 90 degrees, the other one back straight. 9, 10, 5 more. 5, 4, last 3, 3, last 2, 2, last 1, and 1. Amazing, great job. And we change the side, working the other glutes now. Ready? Let's go. First, the lateral ones. 1, bending 90 degrees the front leg. 2, feeling the glutes working. 3, mind muscle connection. 4, 5, 6, 15 times. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, one more, 15, amazing. And we superset with the reverse lunges type stuff. Exercise. Let's go. 1, 2, squeeze the glutes. 3, 4. This is harder than it looks. 5, trust me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, one more, 15. Amazing. And now I'm going to bring the other one as well, because 10 times we will alternate the sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 10 times alternating the reverse ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 1 9, one more, and 10. Amazing. Breathe a little bit, drink some water if you want. We have a second round. And then you can also prepare your mat, because we're gonna do also 2 exercises on the mat. Short, sweet, and efficient. Okay, ready for the second round? First, the single leg. 15 and 15. Lateral ones. Let's go. 1, 2. Really squeezing the glutes. 3, 4, 5. Smile on. 6. Mind muscle connection. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, one more, 15, amazing. And we superset with the reverse ones. Same leg bending, let's go. 1, really feeling the burn. 2, and the stretch. 3, abs strong. 4, elongating the spine. 5, exhaling, bending. 6, 7, 8, mind over matter. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Amazing. And we change the side. Let's go. 15 lateral ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, one more, 15, amazing. And reverse ones, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile on. 4, squeeze the glutes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Amazing. Now we'll have to do the alternating ones. I'll do it with the gliding discs. Same. Ready? Let's go. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 10 times, reverse ones. Alternating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! Amazing. We made it. Finished with the standing ones. Drink some water if you want. I also have my water here. Take one little sip. And bringing the mat ready for the only 2 exercises on the mat. Let's go. So, laying down on the mat. Again, either the sliding disc, gliding discs, or the cloth. You decide which one you prefer. And first, we lift up in a bridge. And then with the right leg, we stretch, we push with the heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We slowly lower down and we change the side. So same thing, 10 times, other side. First inhaling, lifting up left leg. Heel on the sliding discs on the cloth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We relax, and we're gonna do 10 times both legs. Really, really strong core, heels up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can even leave another option, to be honest, because like this you might feel the lower back, is to lift up just here. 1, 2, 3. We work also the upper body. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew, amazing. I really feel that it's better when we support our hands with the arms because we release the tension from the lower back. So we're going to do this one more time. If you feel that it's too hard to lift up here and also bring the leg, then you can just lift the hips down and just do this one, very beginner's version. If you feel you're strong and you can lift in a glute bridge squeeze and then bring the leg inside, then do this. Let's go. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We lower down, breathe, and then lift the hips up, stretch the other leg, heel on the sliding disc on the cloth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly relaxing the hips down, lifting up halfway, supporting ourselves with the palms, lifting the hips up, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we do 15? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! Amazing. We leave the cloths. We take the mat closer by. And now we just stretch a little bit the hamstrings. Stretching the legs forward, taking a deep inhale, lifting the arms up, exhaling, stretching towards the front, flexing the toes, feeling a deeper stretch back of the legs. Slowly turning to the front, stretching both legs as much as we can, and slowly bringing the arms forward, moving from side to side. And slowly coming back to the center, bringing the feet together in a butterfly, Wiggling the knees, slowly bringing the palms in front of the feet, slowly starting to lift up vertebra by vertebra halfway, rolling the shoulders back, stretching also the quads. They worked as well. Although the main focus was glutes and hamstring, the quads also helped us in this workout a lot. And let's do also the thread the needle stretch. You have the video with the best glute stretches if you want to do it right now. It's a great idea. I'll put the link in the description as well. And this is it. We did an amazing, short, sweet, efficient workout for the glutes and hamstrings. Like, share, subscribe for more amazing fitness, wellness, happy, healthy lifestyle weekly content. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day and see you soon.